From hello to hooked, write your welcome emails in 55 minutes. Without a strong welcome list on your email newsletter, you're losing potential connections before you even get started. It's not just about sending a welcome email. Your welcome email sequence is about setting the tone, establishing trust with your subscribers. It's about making that subscriber think, wow, this person gets me. I can't wait to see what they're going to send me next. Every day you wait to lock in a killer welcome sequence for your email newsletter is another day missing out on turning new subscribers into engaged, loyal fans who are looking forward to your emails. That's where the workshop that I'm running comes in. It's called From Hello to Hooked. It's not a lecture. It's a hands-on, get-it-done session where you'll outline the 3 welcome emails. So it's a welcome email sequence that 1, introduces you perfectly, 2, sets the stage for a long-lasting, mutually profitable relationship. And that's really important because if you're running a business, you need your newsletter to be about business. It needs to justify itself by bringing in work. So there's no shame in having a newsletter that is valuable to your subscribers, but also valuable to you. But you'll only get there if you set that relationship up correctly in the first place. If you don't set it up correctly as a commercial relationship, all kinds of shit ensues, and I know because I've run mailing lists where I have not set that relationship up correctly. In this workshop, just for 55 minutes, where you're going to work on your welcome sequence with me, it's an interactive session. We're going to talk about building connection with subscribers, so you will discover how to make subscribers feel instantly connected to you, and most people get that wrong. We're going to talk about going from bland to brilliant. There's a subtle shift that turns a bland introduction into an unforgettable first impression. We're going to talk about getting your subscribers hooked on you, and that is what you want, that you are going to be one fish in the pond of their email inbox. You need to be the one that where your name catches their eye and they think, yes, that is the one that I'm going to open. I know that I want to open that email above the others that I could open right now. And as I say, finally, you want to set this up as a profitable business relationship. You don't want to feel salesy. You don't want to feel inauthentic or not genuine. There are ways to do that, and I'm going to show you how to set it up so that you can be authentically you, comfortable, not salesy, but still lay the groundwork for this to be a profitable relationship. If that all sounds good to you, this is a $39 workshop. It's an unbelievable price because I want as many people to have it as possible, because I know what running a great email newsletter means to me and my business, and I want to share a little bit of that with you. So you can lock in your spot right now. There's a link in the show notes. Go to the link in the show notes. If you are already a subscriber to the Taylist newsletter and it's coming to your inbox, you will find the link in that email. I can't wait to see you at the workshop. Click on the link to find out the dates and to book your spot right now. Stephen. You've been listening to or watching The Obvious Choice, the Taylist email newsletter, read by me, Stephen Lewis. You can get your copy directly to your inbox, and you should do that right now by going to taylist.agency/newsletter. All links are always in the show notes.